Hey guys, Steve back with you. Got a unboxing here today. I thought I'd share. It's in a big box. Now, before I got into Hot Wheels years ago, I was into model car kits. I had quite a few, and then I was also into Franklin Mint cars, Danbury Mint cars, those high-end 124 scales, and this is one I used to have. I sold it. I sold them all years and years ago. In fact, a guy up in Lexington, Kentucky, he owned a Jaguar dealership, Blackwell or Black something, can't remember it, but he wanted to buy a lot of my Danbury Mint cars and Franklin Mint cars, so I took them all up there to him. He bought, I think, about everything I had left. So anyway, gosh, I guess that was 25 cars maybe. So it was worth taking them up there to him. So this is one I used to have, and one of my most favorite ones. This is the Franklin Mint car. Quite elaborate. Let's see if I can get this down here a little better. Has unpacking instructions, display instructions. And of course, this is second hand, so somebody else owned it for me. I bought it off eBay. And it's got some other things with it, like keychain. This is a 65 or 66 Shelby GT350. It'll probably be 65. Yeah. Here's some books that came with it for little display pieces. Tells all about it. This is the 65 Shelby GT350 Mustang Signature Edition. Get all kinds of literature with it. Copy of the owner's manual. All kinds of paperwork. And here's a plate, a key of some sort, blank key fob, or key, blank key. Here's a Shelby signature. It is authentic signature. This is number 2503 of 3,500. They did 3,500 of these, and they originally sold them for $500. I didn't pay that much for it. I did the first time, not this time. Let's see what we got here. Still got all the old original papers and everything. I think it's got everything with it. As far as I know. Looks like it does. even the advertisements for other products. Old paperwork. Set that aside for now. Oh, this is the display piece. Cabinet or whatever. Doesn't look like it's. Yeah, it's not open. Get my knife. Glad to see they took good care of packing it and all. All right. Well, yeah, this is the display that you set the car in. I'm not going to dig all that out now. Get to the main event here. Open this end. Oh. Tell you what, these things well, they need to be because they're so fragile. Bottom, top. Even tells you on the carton which is the bottom, which is the top. And the tape also. Whoop. Get it. There we go. There she is. Boy, I tell you, they got it wrapped up just like brand new. They even got the little styrofoam on the antenna still. Tag, hang tag still on it. I always left my hang tags on and just tucked them underneath the car. These things are really heavy. You have to be really careful with them when you're handling them, because they could easily be dropped. He's even got the foam on the doors there. Wow, really taken care of well. And then the reason they call this the signature edition is Carol Shelby signed the trunk. Yeah, these were done gosh, I don't know, 15 years ago maybe, something like that. Maybe longer. The engine was really detailed too. Really impressed with how they packed it, just like from the factory. Very nice. Beautiful car. Glad to have it back. All right, guys, I think that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Talk to you on the next one.